This video will give you a quick insight into why your first piece of equipment when taking the pole journey should be on an xpole. In this video we will talk about why is an xpole the best in the world, why is the xpert pole the most popular multi-piece portable pole in the world, and how can you install an xpole in your home, gym or studio without the need for any ceiling or floor fixings. The concept behind the xpole is that the poles should be beautiful, but hidden within them are some very high-tech designs. So what makes an xpole the best, the most secure and the most advanced pole in the world? The secret is that they contain 4 critical elements: articulating base for uneven floors, bottom-loading technology so that the pole can be installed without the need for ladders, X-joint technology, the most advanced and patented joining system to connect the poles together, simple, quick and easy, T-lock bearing system, securing the top of the pole to the largest upper dome available on the market. X-joint was developed to withstand higher pressures, making it much safer for you. Some manufacturers use screw threads to join the poles. The X-joint exerts an equal amount of pressure on both the joining pieces and ensures that the pieces of the pole, as well as the extensions, are secured together. However, as important as it is to secure the joints, it is equally important to be able to uninstall the X-joint for when you wish to disassemble the pole. Both the fastening and loosening of X-joints is simple and easy. The 2 parts of the pole then assembles over X-joint. These 2 parts of the pole are secured using a hex key. Once secured, there is no lateral or vertical movement. As the xpert is designed for any dancer, it can be set to spin or remain static. Switching from static to spin and vice versa is as simple as tightening or loosening 2 screws at the base of the pole. Now that we know how the poles are connected together and why the X-joint ensures that the pole is absolutely secure, let's now take a look at the upper dome, the largest upper ceiling plate on any portable pole in the world. And why? So that it provides the largest surface area to grip. Most manufacturers will use a simple and small plate to attach to the ceiling, but xpole has a large dome with a T-lock bearing system. This effectively locks the pole in place. Should the upper dome slip, the T-lock prevents it from falling. Working our way down the pole to the base, you will see that it is smooth from top to bottom, no infringements to catch yourself on whilst dancing. At the bottom of the pole, we have the technology behind the bottom loading element, with simple alignment system for locking the pole. What does this mean to you? No ladders and all adjustments could be done at ground level rather than having to use a ladder. Why is this important? All adjustments can be done by 1 person instead of 2, and installation is much easier, safer and quicker. The adjuster cover on an xpert pole is fixed, so it does not move. It is also perfectly smooth so you can still dance on it without hurting yourself. The adjuster allows you to be able to vary the height by up to 125 mm, without the need for extensions. The tightening of this adjuster, in essence, secures your pole between the floor and the ceiling. Xpole is the only manufacturer to feature an articulating base. This makes installation on even slightly inclined floors safe. No floor or ceiling is completely level, thus the need to have an articulating base to compensate for unevenness. The articulating base, the X-joint, the bottom loading adjuster and the upper dome make up the 4 key parts of the hidden technology behind the xpert pole. Now that you know all about the technology, time to actually look at the pole. You can have an xpole in its shiny form in chrome, or you could choose from the multiple finishes we offer. Xpoles come in 6 different finishes: chrome, titanium gold, brass, stainless steel, powder-coated and silicone, for different levels of grip and comfort. Now you know the technology behind the pole as well as all the finishes it is available in. Next, sizes. Xpole is available in different sizes: 40, 45 and 50 mm. Xpoles are made to the highest quality using patented technology.